some random like Dutch girls that were like, this made me feel old. Just turned 18, was like talking to me. I just remembered that now. And then I was like, yeah, I'm 27. and she was like, oh, okay. Okay. And I was like, I don't know what else to say now. I'm really sorry, but I'm 27. I don't know. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm sorry about it, but I'm sorry about it. Like, this is awkward.
I am glad I was not part of that conversation.
Yeah.
Couldn't even tell you what it looked like.
I think I remember one, but I can't remember the other one that much. I